Hi there, students. Ignoble, an adjective. Ignobly, the adverb. Okay, if something is ignoble, it's morally bad. Yeah, it's something that you shouldn't have done. An ignoble action. It was very ignoble of you to make him sleep in the street like that. Yeah, or an ignoble idea. Oh, yeah, no. Okay, so something that's ignoble is something that's morally bad, and I think it also has the implication that it makes you feel a little bit ashamed. Okay, so ignoble, low, mean, yeah, base, not very nice. You can also use ignoble to mean of common origin, plebeian, of low birth, not a noble. So, I don't know, the ignoble potato is not like, I'm trying to find a noble, like the noble pineapple perhaps. I don't know, it's just an example. Okay, so ignoble, something that's not right. It's just wrong. Okay, so rather sordid or unpleasant. Such an ignoble act is totally unworthy of you. Okay, he suffered a very ignoble death. Now, this word ignoble was actually stimulated by a question asking me the difference between ignominious and ignoble. So if ignoble is not morally bad and makes you feel a little bit embarrassed, something that's ignominious is something that is embarrassing, generally because it was a complete failure. Yeah, your ignominious behavior after you got drunk was disgraceful. It was shameful. Yeah, an ignominious defeat, an ignominious retreat of an army. Burnley beating Manchester United 6-0 would be an ignominious defeat for Manchester United. So ignominious is embarrassing. Yeah, it's just embarrassing, particularly because it was a failure. Whereas ignoble, it can be ignominious as well, but ignoble has more the idea of just something that's morally bad, and maybe you might feel a bit shamed about it. Yeah. Okay. So an ignoble act, an ignoble thought, not noble in quality, dishonourable, base, rather despicable. He acted so ignobly that everybody started to hate him. He wasn't a noble person. Yeah, mean, base, of a bad character. Yeah, he is going to use this money for ignoble purposes. Yeah, that ignoble episode from my past. Yeah, well, it was rather an ignominious event as well. And then ignoble as well, common, vulgar, plebeian, humble. They wanted to spare him the shame of an ignoble birth. Yeah. So ignoble, more often dishonourable, mean, petty, denigrated, shabby, vile, unworthy. Yeah, something that's not very nice. Okay, and then ignominious, an embarrassing event or an embarrassing defeat, particularly from behaviour. Yeah, so ignoble, not noble, or not honourable, or common, not of high birth. Yeah, I guess his ignobility, as a noun, you could just about use it. His ignobility was famous for, among the people because of the way he acted. Yeah, And let's see, how formal is this word ignoble? I think I'd give it 6.5. It sounds very literary, maybe even a 7 in formality. I think ignominious maybe 5.75 to 6. Yeah, so informally ignoble, dishonorable, mean, without honor. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Middle French ignoble, and that itself comes from Latin ignobilis, or the ig in, not, and gnobilis, noble. Okay, so ignoble, not noble, not something that you would expect something to morally do. I think nowadays, or in the past, people confused the idea that people who were noble and important were always very honourable, but that's never been true. I think nowadays that myth has been exploded a bit more. Okay, so ignoble, not morally very good, his ignoble acts. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ignoble.